everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 23rd to the 27th of January 2023 on Monday. A reckless mother's decision endangers her child's life. Sbongile's world is flipped upside down thanks to Zaza on Tuesday. Gladys tells Moabis that case of negligence has been opened against them. Prissy is frustrated when Sodo tells them they need to start a clean business and quit selling booze. Skara and Sbongile bond over her pregnancy on Wednesday. Teddy's plans for Chiamo's surprise party takes an unexpected turn. Detective Nabe makes Zibugo an interesting proposition. Gladys tried to reach out to Sbongile and Skara on Thursday. Pretty and Nyaleng venture into a new business and Zoto is not happy. Chiamo realizes that Sbongile is caught up in a bubble with Skara. Mazet and Stombi have a surprise for an unsuspecting Bamkomondo on Friday. Bamkomondo's day has come. Sbongile and Skara find out the danger or the gender of their babies. Bonga doesn't want any boys at Chiamo's birthday party. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.